Good morning. In the shop today, we're going to be changing out the backup lights on a 2025 GMC Canyon Denali. We're going to go with the Lasfit LED lights. They are the T15s. Pretty simple. You only really need one tool, and it's a T20 star screwdriver. Let's get started. So first thing we got to do, take these two bolts out. Pretty easy. There's one. And you just need to pull the tail light out. A couple clips holding it in. And if you look on the back, here's where the backup light is, right here. Just turn it, pull it out. You can clearly see the difference between the two different bulbs. These are factory. Just push it right in here. And they click in. Put it back in and twist. Push it back in. Take your two screws. Don't have to reef on them. Very clearly you can see the left side is the stock bulb and the right side is the Lasfit LED bulb. So get this tail light out. This is the other side. You just have to pull it. And it pops right out. As you can see, there's a hole there. That's where that goes into. Here's the backup. Twist it. Pull it out. Take it right off. Snap in there. There you go. Put it back in the hole. Twist it. And you're done. Screw it back in. Literally a 5-minute job. Huge difference. A lot brighter than stock. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.